With more than 10 million NUWAVE ovens already sold, America's favorite countertop oven is now even better. Introducing the NUWAVE PRIMO Grill Oven, the world's first culinary miracle that combines the flavor of the grill with the power of an oven. That's right, it's a grill in an oven. The secret to the Primo is SmartTech cooking technology. It's conduction cooking combined with the power of a convection oven and powerful infrared technology. With an incredible grill base, the exclusive non-stick grill base evenly distributes heat for food that's beautifully charred on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside without flipping. With Primo, you can broil, roast, grill, bake, air fry, braise, dehydrate, and sear with one machine in a fraction of the time. No more defrosting food. No more sink full of dirty pots and pans. With Primo, you just touch and go. From frozen to fabulous in minutes, Primo also features top-bottom cooking technology that lets you control where the heat comes from. Raise the bottom temperature for perfectly browned, crispy crust. Then lower the top heat for gooey melted cheese on pizza that doesn't burn. Compact and super lightweight, take it right to the tabletop. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.